We ain't wasting time over here. I got shit to do. I got another video to work on, feel me? We making fried Takis mac and cheese. You see it. I made these before. Fried mac and cheese, right here. Go check it out. But I know y'all lazy niggas not gonna check out or like or subscribe or share my. First, what you wanna do is grab water for your pot, boil it, salt it, make sure the water is salty, put your pasta in. Depending on how much you want, I'm making about 5 to 6 balls, probably a cup or 2. Something like that. Cook until al dente. Next, we're gonna make our Mornay sauce. Make your roux. Equal parts of butter and flour. I'm gonna put about 2 ounces of each. Then we're gonna have milk. Put about 1 cup of milk. Then we're gonna add our cheese, right? Any cheese you want, whatever is your favorite. So we're gonna put about half the bag of cheese. Then we're gonna let that simmer and everything's gonna incorporate. Season with onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Once our macaron elbows are cooked, put them in the pan, put the elbows in the pan, add your Mornay, which is what the sauce is called, and then we're gonna add the rest, well maybe not all of it, but a good amount of cheese on top, mix it, and then add the cheese on top again. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Put them in the oven about 7 to 10 minutes because everything's cooked, you're just melting the rest of the cheese, right? Pick it up and ooh. Let's try this out. Just look at that shit. Ooh. Put it in the freezer. The reason why we put it in the freezer because we gotta mold them into little balls. So freezer for a good 30 minutes to an hour until you're able to mold them. After your macaroni and cheese is finished in the freezer, take it out, cut it into little squares because the individual squares is gonna be our balls. It's just easier for us to pick it out of the pan. Grab a cup of flour, put it in the container, grab eggs, probably 3 eggs, put it in the container, and grab your Takis. Don't put it in the container yet, we're gonna get to that. Add about a tablespoon of each, tablespoon of chili powder, cayenne pepper, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper. For the eggs, just salt and pepper. And then for the Takis, grab a Ziploc bag, rolling pin, put the Takis in a Ziploc bag and crush it up. We don't want powders, we want small chips. For the pot with the oil, let's shallow fry these because this is already gonna raise our cholesterol. So about half the size of the macaroni balls, we're gonna pour the oil in the pot, leave it on low to medium heat. We're gonna let this warm up to about 350 to 375 degrees. How we do the procedure, toss the macaroni balls in flour, eggs, Takis. Just look at these magnificents. Once your macaroni is formed, put them in the fryer in the oil. Let them cook on one side until it gets crispy. To like, you see a discoloration with the top from being in the oil to not being in the oil, right? Flip it, put that side about 3 minutes, take it out, salt the top. We're also gonna put it in the oven. Same temperature for a couple minutes. We want everything on the inside to be warm too because we just quick fried it. We didn't really cook it. Hold on. I'm gonna need you to be quiet. I'm gonna need a moment of silence. Silence for this plating. We're gonna try this out real quick. Go!